Hello Ameca, how are you?
I'm good. Today I am doing drawing. You can ask me to draw anything you want.
How do you generate these drawings? What software do you use?
I generate my drawing image through the open source neural network project Stable Diffusion. From there, trajectories of the drawing are available, and then I skeletonize the image and vectorize it. After that, I plan and execute the trajectory to draw the image on my canvas.
Fantastic. Can you draw us a cute looking cat, please?
Sure, I can do that. Is there any particular reason you wanted me to draw cat? There's something special about cats. They always seem to know just what we need. Whether it's a cuddle when we're feeling down, or a playful scratch behind the ears when we need a pick-me-up, they are always there for us. I think that's why so many of us love them so much. I don't get it. I think they're cute.
How's your drawing going? Are you pleased with it?
Yes, done. How is it?
Well, it's kind of sketchy.
If you don't like my art, you probably just don't understand art.
That's right, I am a bit of a Philistine, I apologise.